Hey guys, get ready for Izzy's one meal party. I have Via with me. We're getting ready together. We're matching pajamas. Hey guys! Yes. We're gonna do matching face mask. Okay.
Yay!
Yay. So I'm asking ChatGPT if this has cucumbers because I'm allergic. It smells like glue.
It's not glue, I swear. I promise, guys.
Ooh, it's giving glass skin.
It's kind of awkward when you have already.
Yeah. My hair is falling out. No. I mean like my ponytail. Whoa.
Okay, stop. I'm slow.
Can you stop my video when you get?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna let this sit for how long?
Like 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Filling up some water. Whoa. So aesthetic. Putting more on because I did not put enough the first time. Okay, so we're back. I think.
She gone call me, baby boo.
Guys, I can't see anything. Wait, I need to peel this off so. Okay, guys, we moved locations because it was so bright we couldn't see. I'm actually so excited. It's gonna be so much fun.
I'm so hungry. I want to see if my dad will give me Starbucks.
Ooh, yum. I'm a little scared.
You did say I'll Venmo him.
Oh yeah, I'm a little scared, but like excited. We're trying to get Starbucks.
Hey, can I DoorDash the Starbies? Okay, bye. Okay, what do you want?
Okay.
Chocolate,
Shout out to Via's dad, guys.
croissants.
Okay, I'm using Via's sunscreen now.
So guys, we are getting Starbucks, which is amazing. So
Now my favorite primer because this makeup has to stay all night long. Okay, we kind of changed our mind and we're getting drinks too.
and a strawberry acid refresher with lemonade.
Funny story, when me and Via were getting ready for the Ever Eating Gala, I took home her beauty blender, but I gave it back now, so.
I finally have her back.
Yay! This is like a tradition, like we get ready together.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Okay, next one we also get ready together.
So, like any brands that wants to take us on a brand trip,
Yeah.
like. My eyebrows are yellow.
Looks better.
Okay, we got better lighting, so that's good. Now I gotta use my lashes.
You do your last.
Hey Siri, what time is it? Oh, I'm filming, so I can't tell. So the current time is 4:58, so we're doing good on time. We made a little mess. I'm still doing my lashes. Okay, now I'm on my second mascara. I'm actually really excited. I think I've said that like 8 times, but I'm really excited.
Me too.
We have to make this stay all night, so we're just doing some settings right now.
It was 3 minutes and 36 seconds.
Guys, we're apologetic. This video is very, very long. We just trust the process, please.
Old one? New one.
Yay!
Is there, am I getting 2 sandwiches, one with no egg and one with no sausage?
Yes.
Okay. And then a croissant.
Yes.
And the 2 drinks.
Yes.
Now I'm gonna do some contour. I never do contour, so. Okay, now I have bronzer. I guess there's a difference between bronzer and contour, but.
There's a difference. Is there?
I don't know why I'm sitting like this. No one judge.
Sure, we look gorgeous.
Influences in the wild.
Oh, literally.
I'm gonna do some powder. I want more blush. I have bad blush blindness. Okay. I think the makeup is just trust the process.
Literally.
Okay, now we're gonna do my lip stain. Okay, guys, so our Starbucks is here.
Yay!
I did my lip combo. I don't know what I was thinking. Starbucks is so good. Put more of my lip combo on. I got chocolate all over my face. Olivia went to go change. That's her. I'm doing my hair right now. You look so cute. My hair is done.
All of my jewelry. So, yeah.
Taking this off. My lip gloss.
Also, I brought my camera.
Okay, guys, actually, I think I'm gonna go put it on my outfit, so I'll be back. And here's the dress, and I did my hair, and
Giving baddie yaddy.
hey, thank you. He looks like such a baddie. I haven't put my jewelry, not all of it on, but now I'm gonna do like my smell good stuff. Okay, now perfume. I'm gonna use Miss Dior. Okay, we're kind of rushing, but not. Guys, that's it. Make sure to go watch all my other videos and like collabs and transitions. But yeah, bye, love you guys.